Made it here to the job of the day. This morning the guys are going to start off with these 2 dead ash trees that you see there. We're actually continuing on this huge project that the guys started a couple days back. These last 2 days I was actually back at the shop working on the Ram truck, so I haven't been out here with the guys, but they're basically all done with this driveway here. There's only about 3 trees down the driveway that they still need to knock out, but you could just see how big these trees were. This is my hand for comparison. Some of the widest ash trees we've seen, completely dead as well. We also have a bunch on that side that need to go as well, along kind of that fence line there. Those need to go as well. Right now Bernardo's getting the bucket truck all set up. The guys are getting the chipper all ready to go. Right now I'm waiting on Luis to get here with the GMC and our skid steer, so I can start loading up all these logs. Just a couple of these are going to fill up our small GMC, so I'm going to be making a bunch of trips, but I need to knock out all these logs. So today I'm going to see how many of these logs I can knock out. Got the skid off the trailer. I'm actually going to put that trailer a little bit on the grass, put a cone on it, disconnect that truck, bring it over. Got the truck all set up. I think I'm going to start with these bigger ones. I don't even know if the skid steer is going to be able to pick this one up. Let's load this one up, then we'll load that one up, and then we'll start loading up all these, start knocking this out. Pretty sure this truck will get filled with, I don't even think I'm going to put all of these. These are pretty heavy, but we'll see. We'll see how the truck is looking. Let's start knocking this stuff out. Alright, so I'm gonna head over to get this first load dumped. There's still a bunch of room in there, but these logs are pretty big. Don't really want to damage the truck, so I think I'm gonna take these bigger ones first, and then with these smaller ones I'll fill it up more. Since they're not too big, I think I could fit more, but I think that's already pretty heavy, so I'm gonna take those. And then those there, we still need to cut those, get those all ready to go. The skid steer couldn't pick up all 3, so we're gonna need to cut those into 3 pieces. That isn't an issue. And then I also got to load up these as well. I'll load up these when I get back, load up these, and then we'll load up those and continue down the road. Just want to get rid of these heavier ones now. Made it back. First I'm going to start with this pile here, start grabbing a couple of these bigger ones so I can load them up from the front, well, from the back here, and then I'm gonna toss these over the side. That way it'll be a little bit easier. I don't have to grab them from the back end and push them forward that way. I'll grab them just like that, right over the edge. Made it back over to the job. We just had lunch. The guys are getting ready to continue there. You can see they already got the branches off those 2 trees. They're going to continue on. Not all of them are going, but the majority are. They're going to continue knocking stuff out. You can see Joni already has a bunch of logs there ready to get loaded up. I'm just going to continue down. Either way, I doubt we'll finish this today, but I'm going to try to load up as much logs as I can. I'm going to load up this pile. Got a couple there that I have to grab. Got those bigger ones there that should be cut already. Grab those, and then we'll continue down. That was load maybe 3 or 4. It's already getting pretty late. You can see the sun's already going down. We have maybe like an hour and a half left here. You can see Freddie's already grinding some stumps down. He knocked out this one, knocked out that second one there. He's about to do that third one, and then he has that really big one on that side there. The guys already finished up with multiple trees there, are cleaning up all those branches. We have a couple guys over there with a mini picking up that small pile there. They got to get that all chipped up, clean up all that grass area. I feel like I really haven't done much, but it just takes so long to go to the dump, get it all cleared out, come all the way back, start loading up logs. Even though the dump's only like 10 minutes away, still takes me a bit of time to get everything unloaded. But let's start loading up these logs and start knocking out as many as we can before we gotta head home. We'll head back to the shop, call it a day. That was a close one for sure. See the sun, it's almost setting. I doubt we'll have enough time to do another load, but my brother should be over there. My brother should be over there with the other bigger international trying to load up a bit, but we'll see. It's already getting late. Made it back over here to the job. You can see the guys made good progress. My brother's in the skid steer getting this older international filled up. You can see but I was trying to reach that one tree from where the bucket is there. They knocked out a good amount of trees. I think they fully knocked out that one and then that second one before I even came back. While I was loading the small truck, I think they were working on that one and they already knocked out the second one and we're working on that third one. We're basically all set for the day. He's not gonna finish that tree. We'll knock that out another day. They're gonna clean up a little bit of those branches there. Still got a bunch of stuff we could chip up, and my brother's gonna continue filling up this international. Just making it home. It's already really dark outside, but we're all done for the day. We'll be back there to finish another day, but I do want to thank anybody who took their time out of the day to watch the video. Any questions, any comments, any tips from me, leave them down below. Catch you guys next time.